Let me show you something interesting, and it is not going to be just receipt scanning. Staple's core strength is multilingual document recognition. It can read receipts across formats, languages, and layouts, and more importantly, it understands what's actually inside the receipt. We're looking at Staple AI's audit capability for Concur expense reports. Now, on the surface, this looks simple. A report, couple of receipts, nothing unusual. But here's the catch. In this scenario, alcohol, a non-reimbursable item, is present in the receipt. And the tricky part? It's not always explicitly labeled. Let's see how Staple AI's smart brains flag it. We begin in the Staple interface. You'll see 6 queues: reports, expense entries, receipts, high, medium, and low risk. Everything is empty. This is a live setup. Now we switch to Concur. Here's a report with 2 expense entries and their respective receipts attached. On the right is the receipt, and on the left is the expense entry. Everything looks clean. Let us submit the report. Come back to Staple. Almost immediately, you'll see the report, the entries, the receipt data. Everything matches: amounts, currencies, structure. So far, this is standard. Now, this is where AI actually kicks in, and this is where Staple does more than OCR. It tries to understand and segregate the receipt when a policy is violated. Both receipts contain implicit alcohol items, not obvious, not labeled cleanly, but Staple picks it up. The system flags the report as high risk and automatically routes it to the high risk queue. No manual rules, no templates, just Staple AI. Check the line items, and you'll find the alcohol-related items here. In the high-risk report, you'll find these identified and linked back to the exact receipt lines. Everything is traceable. You can drill down, review the extracted data, and understand why it was flagged. Add a comment. Reject the report. Done. Now we go back to Concur. The report status has changed from submitted to returned, and more importantly, the audit log is updated. The reason is clearly documented. So what's really happening here? Staple doesn't just extract data. It reads across formats, understands context, applies expense policy, and closes the loop back into your system. In my experience, this is where most tools fall short. They stop at extraction. Staple goes one step further and tells you what the data actually means. Staple is not just a tool, it's a solution.